Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a quick crafty haul for you guys. I have a few things from Joanns, one item from Amazon, and a few things from my local Family Dollar. The stuff from Family Dollar, I did post on my Instagram, but I took it down, so I'm gonna share it here so you guys can see it. And let me show you guys first the Amazon. I got this die. I saw Becky share post that she had seen, I think it's Jerry, posted on her Instagram, and of course I had to have it. I think it's adorable, and it's a tiny little die of a rainbow planter. How cute is this, you guys? So I just thought of making these super cute embellishments with all different kinds of boots, like with different patterns. Would be so cute as little embellishments to share. So I'm definitely going to be working on this weekend. I want to use it and play with it. I can't not wait. It's so cute, you guys. So that's what I picked up from Amazon. And then from Family Dollar, you guys, I got this super cute like notebook, like little notebooks and notepad set. But when I saw the pattern on this, you guys, I had to have it. It reminds me so much of My Mind's Eye Splendor. So cute. Totally me. The pink, the mint green, the polka dots, everything. So this one is just a solid mint green with the rose gold like binding. And it's just a plain white notepad, little notebook, not a notepad. And then this one has the floral, and it says thoughts in rose gold. The binding is also rose gold. Some pink and white polka dots in the inside. Super cute, you guys. I love how girly and feminine it looks. I don't think I'll ever use it, but I'll definitely display it in my craft room. I also got this little note set, which has like a bunch of sticky notes. And that's what it looks like. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little sticky notes. And then I got the clipboard with the other notepad. It says make it happen. I might end up altering the clipboard, don't know yet. But I love the floral pattern. And then the last from that collection, I got the little to-do list pad, which has like the beige, the cream with the little mint green polka dots. You guys, I just had, and there's also a bag, but I have the bag filled with some packages that I need to ship out, but it's the same exact pattern, and I absolutely love it. And they were like $2 a piece. So if you have a local Family Dollar, definitely see if you can find these, because it is a great deal and they're super cute. And then the last thing I want to show you is from Joanns. I had seen Daisy Lou Designs Vero. She had a swap with Lacey, and her tag flip had these super squishy little like yarn trims. And of course I hit up Lacey, asked her where she got it. She told me Joanns, so I ordered my two favorite colors, of course, the mint green and the pink. And this is called Off the Hook. It's the Lion brand yarns, and it's like little loopy, kind of like, I don't know, like fleece. So squishy, you guys. And I think it's just so fun to add to like tag flips or happy mail. So those are the two colors that I got from that. I also picked up by Simply Spring Construction the beadable pom-poms. They have like these little tubes in the inside where you can put like string it and make some cute little tassels. So I picked up a pack of those. And then the last things are these cute little like pom-poms. I don't have any that look like this, that have kind of like that texture. So I picked up, and these are the 0.5. They come in different sizes. I think it's 0.5, an inch, and an inch and a half, or 2 inches. I got the smallest ones. So I got the teal blue, like the beige, and then the pink ones. And these were all half price. I think $3.49. And you get 50 pieces, you guys. But yep, that is my quick haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.